Blessed day to everyone. It's my honor and privilege to share to you Reverend Kim Yon Suk partnership in mission ministry here in Bukidnon Area Conference. It started with her exposure last 2002, going around Bukidnon Area Conference churches. She experienced a lot during that time. She saw poverty, hardship in the rural areas, as well as the challenges in the surgency problem in the hinterland. I remember na perting hadlukan niya sa pagkita niya ang mga lalaki nga dala og Armalite. She thought that she will not be alive after that event. But these things opened her eyes to see the mission of God through Bukidnon Area Conference. She was supposed to be assigned in Visayas, but because of her exposure in Bukidnon, she extended her area in the coverage of NWNJ, particularly in Bukidnon Area Conference, under the supervision of Bishop Benjamin Bardoso. One thing that we recognize that having partnership in mission worker is not an easy journey. It takes a lot of communication, understanding, and patience. In our journey with Reverend Kim, we were able to sail not just smoothly, but throughout the storm, we have in common. One is that the local church is the center of mission. And in mission, there's always a people-centered, driven by God's love. Kini magud ang importante sa maong misyon nga atong pagabuhaton sa Ginoo, nga diin magabase kini siya dili sa programa, apan diha sa katawhan nga gihatagan nato sa maong serbisyo. I remember we have a lot of programs, the Goat and Carabao Dispersal, the livelihood program, the mga bugas nga panghatag, especially dito sa panahon nga naay gera sa Anggaan, and also in Kubungkug. We had all these programs, but one thing that we have learned in serving is that when we serve, it's not us. It's not centered on us, but it's centered on the people whom we serve. And because we are serving, not just because we have pity on them, but because of God's love is overwhelming among us. This is really also a way of reminding us that Reverend Kim also journey with us, not just smoothly, but with a lot of challenges that we were able to overcome. One of it is the communication gap. She is a Korean and we are all Filipinos, and we have a way of expressing ourselves in English, but she is also has her way of expressing herself. Usahay magkabangi jud that, but because we see each others as brothers and sisters, not as aliens and foreigners, but brothers and sisters in Christ, we were able to patch up differences. One thing that we need to understand also in working together is trusting God and trusting each other. It's not healthy when we have a kind of suspicion towards each other. That's why we always have this transparency with Reverend Kim before. Kay lisod na kayo. Dudahan ka pa sa iya, dudahan pa kasi mong co-workers, dudahan pa dito sa whole church. But Babe is very kind, and Doctora Bergado we're working very hard to let transparency be able to avail to everyone to see. Also, we need more patience to one another. One time, ikapila ko nag-walk out, si Reverend Kim po nag-walk out po, pala naghilak. But because of our love to God and the passion of serving the people, we tend to really find our common goal, and that is serving the people, serving God, and serving each other. Bahalag mabuntagan, makadlawonan, bahalag way tulog, kabiyahe pa may mga alas 2 sa gabi, and there's a lot of away. But after away, there's always some sort of breathing out all this anxiety and pressures. And you know that Reverend Kim is very output oriented. She really wanted to see the impact of the project toward to see it to the people. Munang sa ako pod siya dili maligon na siya ahat nga murag sili mga mo halang dayon. It's really a slow impact that is really need to be seen, not now but in the future. And sure enough that diha sa tagadaghan ng mga project ang ni-survive by scholarship. I know this is the best way of helping, because it helps not just the person's identity as a child of God, but it really boasts a person to have hope and to have faith in God and to oneself to help others. And during this almost 24 years in the ministry, I pray that the work that we begun will always remind us that God is with us in our journey as a conference. And as workers, we have to stay together as one. Later on, we will realize that one day we will be called by God, and the best thing to say to God is, I did my best. And by that, Reverend Kim did her very best to God and to all people. She may not be the person that we want her to be, but she is a very dedicated, passionate worker of God. And most of when we talk about passionate, daghan jud iyang natabangan, maluluy-on yun siya. And for this, thank you, Reverend Kim, for your service. And we are so blessed by your life and love and service to this conference. And may God bless you and keep you healthy and keep you on the go. Ika nga ni Reverend Luciano Vasquez na there is no retirement in serving the Lord. Padayon lang sa pagpangalagad. God bless you all.